Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am going to explain you NCERT class 4th EVS chapter 1 Going to School. Going to school, let us meet some children and see how they reach school in different areas. First is Assam. In Assam, children use bamboo bridges. Let us read. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the other hand. We quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach the school. As you can see in this picture, children hold the books in one hand and hold the bamboo with other hand. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with shoes or slippers? Why? Yes, it is easy to walk on this bridge with barefoot. If we use shoes, it will be slippery for us. Next is Ladakh. In Ladakh, children use trolley to reach to school. Let us read what they say. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood, attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of us sit in a trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the road. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. As you can see in this picture, children use this type of trolley to reach the school. Next, observe picture 1 and 2. In the pictures, children are pulling the bucket from the well. Can you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using the it? Yes, this is very easy. In the picture number 2, it is easy to pull out the things with the help of pull. Look around you. Where all do you see the use of pulleys? List that. With the help of a pulley, try and lift various things as shown in the picture. As you can see. Next is cement bridge. Children, we often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. These are made up of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. As you can see, these are some water bodies. Let us discuss some questions related to cement bridge. How is this bridge different from a bamboo bridge? This bridge is made up of a cement, brick and iron rod, whereas bamboo bridge is made up of a bamboo. How many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? Many people can cross the bridge at one time because it is made up of a cement. You have seen how children use different kind of bridges to cross river and other uneven areas to reach school. If you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use? Why? Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Find out from your grandparents what kind of bridges were there when they were young. Children, write down your own answer in your notebook. Next is Kerala. In Kerala, children use Vallam to reach the school. Vallam is a boat which is made up of a small wooden. As you can see in this picture, this is a made up of a small wooden boat. Have you seen any other kind of boat? Yes, there are several types of boat. Motor boat, houseboat. Can you think of other way by which we can travel on water? Yes, we can travel by ship, by raft, by motorbike.
Also. Next state is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, children use camel cart to go to school. They live in desert. Have you ever sit in a camel cart on horse carriage tanga? Where did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? Yes, someone helped me to climb on camel cart. This is the Rajasthan where children use camel cart to go to school. Next is bullock cart. Bullock cart basically used in village in plain area. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. If it is too sunny or rainy, we use our umbrellas. Children, do you have bullock cart where you live? Does it have a roof? What kind of wheel do they have? Generally in bullock cart we have the wooden wheel. Next is bicycle ride. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now groups of 7 to 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. As you can see in this picture, girls can go to school by bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? Write your own answer. How many children come on bicycle to your school? Okay, children, write your own answer in your notebook. Next is Jugaad. This is the example of Gujarat. In Gujarat, children go to school with the help of Jugaad. Its sound is put 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 when it run. Is it not something special? The front look like a motorcycle. As you can see in this picture, front part is look like a motorcycle. The carriage at the back is made up of a planks of wood. Do you have such vehicles in your area? If have, write down yes. What do you call them in your area? Would you like to ride in something like this? Why? Can you tell why it is called jugaad? It is called jugaad because it is made up of a waste material. Next is children cross the jungle. In some state, children go to school through a thick forest. At some places, it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such place? Write your experience in your notebook. Next is Northern Hills. In Northern Hills, children go to school through miles of snow. They hold hands and walk slowly. As you can see in this picture, the snow is there. The children hold hand and walk slowly. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. Have you ever seen so much snow? Where? In films or somewhere else? Next is Rocky Path. This is an example of Uttaranchal where there is a path is rocky. Children use the rocky path to go to school. As you can see in this picture, this is a rocky path and they hang the bag at the back and go to school. No matter whether there is a dense forest, farms, mountain or snow on the way, we manage to reach school. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? Children, are you facing any difficulty on the way to your school? Write down your own answers. Next is some practice questions related to this chapter. Question number 1. Knee-high water is found after rain in A. Assam, B. Ladakh, C. Kerala, D. All of these. So answer will be Assam. In Assam, there is a knee-high water. Question number 2. Where a bullock cart is used to reach to the school? A. In big cities, B. Village in the plain, C. Northern hills, D. All of these. Children, this is a bullock cart. It is basically used in village in the plain. So this is the answer. Third is the jugaad is made out of A. Waste material. B. Motorcycle. C. Wood. D. All of these. So jugaad is made up of all of these. So answer will be all of these. Next is question number 4. In which state a transport which makes a put put sound is used for going to school? A. Rajasthan. B. Ladakh. C. Gujarat. D. Assam. Put put sound is made by jugaad, so it is found in Gujarat. Question number 5. A vellum is used in some part of. This is a picture of vellum. It is used in A. Uttarakhand. B. Bihar. C. Kerala. D. All of these. Yes, it is used in Kerala. Question number 6. In the Rajasthan, children use which transport to reach school? A. Bullock cart. B. A motorcycle. D. A trolley. Camel cart. This is a camel cart. It is used in Rajasthan. So answer is camel cart. 7. Write T for true and F for the false statement. We can go to school on a trolley if school lies across a river. Yes, we can use. So this is true statement. We can ride a camel cart to school through a thick forest. No, we cannot go with camel cart through a thick forest. This is false. We cannot reach school if we have to cross a road bridge. It is false. We can go. In Assam, children reach school by crossing over bamboo bridge. Yes, this is true statement. Next is question number 8. Match the type of bridge in column A with the material it is made of in column B. First is iron bridge. Iron bridge is made of a iron. Second is bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge is made up of a bamboo and rope. Trolley bridge. Trolley bridge is made up of a wood and iron rope. Cement bridge is made up of a brick, iron rods and cements.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.